Today we're going to talk about a website called PollEverywhere.com. What I really like about this website is the fact of how flexible it can be for the classroom teacher. You can collect a great deal of information from your classroom. It can be used where students respond instantaneously to questions. You can leave the polls and questions set up for extended periods of time. There's open-ended, multiple choice, and there's a clickable image option even that makes it kind of fun. What I really like about this is it works on the laptops, the iPads, or phones, even old flip phones, which I know are making a comeback, because you can text the answers, you can go through the web app, and there's even actually an option to connect it to a Twitter account in order to collect your responses. So we're going to go ahead and jump in to the website. Now, another nice thing about this website is it's free. You don't even have to create an account if you choose not to. You can just go straight to it, create a poll, access that link, and get moving. I chose to create an account. That way I could go back in and pull old surveys, old questions, reuse them if I wanted to, that sort of thing. There's even additionally the option that you can purchase some plans, and I'm unaware of all the capabilities and functionality of the priced pieces, but I'm sure, obviously if you're paying for it, it's going to be able to do even more than some of the things that I'm currently showing you. So we'll go ahead and log in. And I was worried about remembering my password initially, but since this is about my 40th take on capturing this video for all of you, I actually have it more than memorized, so now it's just a typo if I mess it up. It's going to bring up a screen and show some of the polls that you have. You can still get into them, obviously. You can see I've used it for various things. I've used it for favorite thing, or for fun things with students on the school blog. Used it for things within professional development bundles with the staff. Used it for things just to collect information on teachers' desires as far as their staff appreciation gifts. So you can do anything with this basically, which is one of the things that I like about it. So you'll click on create a poll. At that point you're going to list your question. So I came up with a fun concept: greatest fictional teacher of all time. You'll see here where it shows the choices you have: open-ended, multiple choice, clickable image. Now notice with the open-ended there are different versions of how it will be portrayed on the site as well. You can do the text wall where it lists all the responses. You have the word clouds, clusters where it kind of goes everywhere, a little bit like a Padlet type format, and then the ticker is kind of neat because it'll show the responses just all continuously on the site as it progressively goes. Now obviously the larger the class, the longer it's going to take to get through that ticker. I'm going to do a multiple choice one today. You can see here it starts off in a true false format, but you can list any type of answer you want. It can be a true multiple choice. So I'm going to list probably a familiar one for most. A lot of people go with Mr. Holland on some things teaching wise. I'm going to actually put in pictures just for fun. You don't have to do that obviously, but I thought it would be fun to do that for this round. Can't find him. There's Mr. Holland. I kind of gave away the next one there if you guys were paying attention close enough, or if I wasn't moving too fast, but go with Dead Poet Society. That's always a quotable at the beginning of the year, beginning of classes, beginning of school meetings for teachers, those types of things. So we'll go with Mr. Robin Williams next. Then I'm going to date myself a little bit, although I think they were reruns when I was watching them, but still, just for fun, we're going to go with Mr. Kotter. Younger teachers probably have no idea who this is. Welcome back, Kotter. I hope he wins. That's all I'm going to go with for this one, but you can add as many answers as you want. Obviously, you want to keep it within reason, and it may, in this free version, even only allow you to get to 5, I think, possibly. I can't remember for sure. At this point, you're going to see this is the website that they would respond to. You have the text messages where they're going to text the answer to join, and then they would text the letters A, B, C. You can choose it to 1, 2, 3. You can customize it if you pay for it. And there are ways to change the appearance if you want it to be a bar graph up and down. All of those types of things are in the settings. And then to activate it, all you have to do is click this icon right here. You can test it. It'll show you what it looks like. You can click on share. It gives you the ability to show all the different ways that you can access the poll. And then right across the top it shows you the website, tells you who to text it to, what to join, and then A, B, or C. So hopefully you find this tool useful and can put it to good use in your classroom within Yorktown Community Schools. Thank you.